Bureau Report, NewsX World.
Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson has shocked fans with a dramatic transformation at the Venice Film Festival, debuting a much leaner physique for his role as an MMA fighter, Mark Kerr, in The Smashing Machine. Dressed in a sleek grey suit, Johnson hit the red carpet alongside co-star Emily Blunt. Social media lit up with fans reacting to his weight loss, some calling him the Pebble. The film, directed by Benny Safdie, explores addiction and ambition and marks a bold new chapter for the Hollywood heavyweight. Shrubhana Rakshit is on the telecast with me. Shrubhana, let's hear it from you. Interesting times and quite the transformation that Johnson has had. Those visuals on our screens that he was at the red carpet ahead of the premiere. It was the Venice Festival, and fans are, gaga over his new look.
Yes, like my Instagram is flooding with memes, appreciation and reels of his transformation, calling The Rock has turned into a pebble now. And it's actually very refreshing to see something that has finally broken the stereotypical portrayal of men. Like, since for such a long time, we have seen Hollywood portraying, especially actors who come from a WWE background, as a wrestling background, to be that macho man with puffed up body, who have become an idol for a lot of men out there who think this is what manliness is all about, who have been idolizing The Rock for such a long time. But now this transformation, also his character and him being finally vulnerable on screen, I think it has set an example which is so refreshing to watch for us as well. And
Right.
I think for a lot of
also,
young
he's not a young man any longer. He's 53 years of age, and the transformation that he has undergone is quite palpable in terms of how he looks, and it must not have been easy for him to transform into a leaner self when he has always portrayed these macho man image in I think all of his films, and to reduce his weight and his size and fit into the mold that the director was aspiring to achieve. And how difficult do you think it must have been, and how committed the man must have been to the role to bring about this massive transformation?
Absolutely, I think it takes so much to transform your body. So one thing I feel is determination. So I was recently going through a lot of interviews of him, and he said that he has been in Hollywood and he has been in movies for such a long time, but he never felt satisfied. And I think this portrayal, breaking the conventional notion which he has been portraying for so long, I think that determination is one thing that just boosts you. And transforming yourself for a role is something, it's not new. We have seen Natalie Portman do it for Black Swan. I mean, we have seen actors do that. And
Right.
for someone his age who has always been in this shape, who has a certain diet to follow, who has been accustomed to be in a certain body, and to change that for a role requires determination, passion for the art, and just that zeal, that I want to do it. I think it's great.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
loved watching him.
Absolutely, and I think fans are eagerly awaiting for the movie to be released and or watch their favorite star in this new avatar. Thank you very much for joining me and giving us an insight into this story. Moving on, let's take a look at the other